Welcome everybody, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to set the lockout parameters on the Sentry wireless access keypad version 4 in 5 easy steps. Step 1. Type in your master code. You will hear the unit produce a sound and LED turns green. Step 2. Type in the extension to take you to set out lock parameters function, which is 5*. You see the LED turn red. Step 3. Type in the number of wrong codes that will have to be inputted before the system goes into lockout mode. I'm going to use 5. Step 4. Enter the reset time in seconds that the unit will lock for in the event that the wrong code has been inputted too many times. I'm going to use 60 seconds. The double beep signifies that the changes have taken effect in the units. We may now exit into default operational mode with double tapping hash. There you have it, the lockout parameters have been set. Thank you for watching this video.